We got different personalities. Then you got these freaking crazies over here.
Check me
Fucking.
out right here, yo.
Yo, the sun don't shine forever, but as long as it's here, then we might as well shine together. Better now than never, business before pleasure. P. Diddy and the fam, who you know do it better. Yeah, right,
Fucking.
no matter what, be airtight. So when you hear something, make sure you hear it right. Don't make an ass out of yourself by assuming our music keeps you moving. What are you proving? You know that I'm 2 levels above you, baby. Love me, baby. I'ma make you love me, baby. Talk
House is
crazy,
actually
ain't
staring
gonna
her
get you
down.
nothing but choke.
House is
And that
pretty calm and
jealousy is
collected, and she's doing aggressive stuff. I'm happy with that.
I'ma win cause I'm too smart for these cats. While they making up facts, you waking up plaques.
In the commission, you ask
Fuck
for
it.
permission to hit him. He don't like me, hit him while wifey was with him. You heard of us, the murderers.